We're talking real-world tests: frozen fries, whole chickens, even cupcakes. By the end of this video, you won't just know which air fryer to buy, you'll know exactly which one fits your family, your counter space, and your cooking style. Let's get crispy. Starting at number 1. 12QD Large Double Air Fryer. The 12QD Large Double Air Fryer is a versatile 10-in-1 appliance featuring dual baskets and sink heat technology for even cooking. Its stacked compact design saves space, while the smart finish and match cook functions offer convenience and precision in meal preparation. The air fryer is PFAS-free with a non-stick coating, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. Additionally, it is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and comes in a sleek black finish, making it a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer 4-in-1 Pro Air Fry. This product features automatic shut-off, programmable settings, temperature control, and a timer, making it highly convenient for various cooking needs. With dimensions of 14.84 inch D x 11.29 W x 10.39 H and a sleek gray color, it has a modern design that fits well in any kitchen. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for preparing large meals, accommodating up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, thanks to its non-stick basket and crisper plate. Made from durable metal and plastic materials, this appliance ensures longevity. Utilizing air crisp technology, it cooks food at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with superheated air, delivering hot, crispy results with little to no oil. Offering 4-in-1 functionality, it allows you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate foods with ease. Enjoy guilt-free fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods, as tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Additionally, it can cook frozen foods quickly, providing an extra crispy finish in just minutes. Number 3. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone 2-basket air fry. The original air fryer with 2 independent baskets allows you to cook 2 different foods in 2 different ways simultaneously, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking like traditional single-basket air fryers. Featuring DualZone technology, it offers a smart finish function to synchronize the cooking of 2 foods or a match cook button to replicate settings across both zones for its full 8-quart capacity. With 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, this air fryer is highly functional and convenient. Its XL 8-quart capacity is perfect for preparing mains and sides together for quick family meals or cooking up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. Additionally, the baskets are easy to clean, as they can be washed either by hand or in the dishwasher. Number 4. Tastee Ceramic Air Fry. The Sensor Magic Smart Air Fryer is a high-performance appliance that cooks up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit higher than most other air fryers, ensuring well-browned, crispy food evenly in minutes. Powered by a high-speed 2,800 revolutions per minute motor, it speeds up the heating process by 40%. Featuring a dual-sensor thermometer and a see-through window, this air fryer automatically monitors meat temperature for perfect results every time. Its 3-speed fan airflow system ensures every meal is golden, crispy, and juicy, delivering delicious food faster. With 8-in-1 versatility and 24 cooking presets, it can air fry, slow cook, dehydrate, and more, catering to a variety of diets and dishes like steak, chicken, fish, pork, and French fries. The one-touch presets make cooking items like bacon, chicken wings, and popcorn effortless. Designed with health in mind, its ceramic-coated surface is non-toxic and free of Teflon, making it safe, easy to clean, and dishwasher-friendly for faster and healthier meal preparation. Number 5. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The air fryer upgrade features the innovative TurboBlaze technology, which delivers a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring crispy and juicy results every time. The heating upgrade includes Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system and precise temperature control ranging from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing evenly cooked dishes with perfect texture in every bite. Additionally, the ceramic coating upgrade enhances the cooking experience with a premium ceramic coating on the basket and crisper tray, making them non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant. The time upgrade, powered by the TurboBlaze technology, accelerates cooking and saves time, making it easy to prepare perfectly crispy family meals even on busy days. So there you have it, the absolute best air fryers for home use you can buy right now in 2026. Whether you need the reliable performance of the instant Vortex Plus *, the stunning looks of the Cosori Iconic, the family-sized power of the Ninja Foodi Flex Drawer, or the budget-friendly Tower Air X AI, there's a perfect match waiting for your kitchen.